Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to VA Universe. I'm your humble host, Victor V, bringing to you another amazing video. Today we are going to talk about Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX. This is a company with great potential. I would say upside, 2x, 3x, 4x within a period of 1 to 2 years. Great potential. It's a global green tech company. So, what we'll be looking at today is first, I'm going to talk about what the company is all about, their product and services. Secondly, we'll talk about some of their subsidiaries, the companies that they've acquired so far, the cash flow. Finally, we'll jump over to Google or Yahoo Finance to do some data analysis, technical and fundamental, to see what the future holds for Ideanomics. Again, if you look at the thumbnail, I said it's the best EV, the best electric vehicle, penny stocks to buy right now and hold for a long term. We all know the future is going green. And if you put yourself early, you make the big gain. The early bet catches the worm. So let's go deep into, Ideanomics. Let's check what the company is all about. My YouTube analytics shows that over 75% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel yet. So please press on the red juicy subscribe button and smash the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. As you can see, I'm right in front of their website. Ideanomics, digitizing tomorrow. So they have, when you look at it, they have two sectors. They have Ideanomics Mobility and Ideanomics Capital. For the sake of this video, we're going to concentrate on the trend. The trend right now is the mobility section. That's where we'll spend most of the time. So, if we go down and we drop down, we have Ideanomics Mobility and Ideanomics Capital. But practically, it's electric vehicles and the financial technology. So they are both in EV and they're also in the financial technology, which we're going to look at right now. So why don't we go deep into the mobility sector and see what they have to offer. Driving commercial EV adoption. So we scroll down. The global commercial EV opportunity. So as you can see right here, light commercial vehicles, if you look at projected global EV market by 2025, for light commercial, we have 21.4 billion. We have medium and high voltage commercial, 7.6. We have buses. We also have taxis and shared vehicles. So, but let's scroll down to what really will interest us today. When we look at Ideanomics, let's look at their business model. They have what you call S2F2C. That's amazing. So first, they play a big role in the sales sector. Now, what does that mean? You click on it, it flips. That's amazing. So they assist fleet operators to obtain their choice of EV models suitable for their budget. So in this case, they act as a liaison, or what you call a middle person between the fleet and the EV, and they'll get a fees, They also involve in the financial sector. So let's flip it. Ideanomics financing partner enable fleet operators to purchase EVs, electric vehicles, without the large cash deposit. So in this case, they're involved in the financing. So they're making money as a liaison in financing. Last but not the least, let's go over to charging. So EV charging. So they also earn fees from selling energy used to charge both commercial and passenger EV through prepaid and wholesale electricity. So that's what we see when it comes to their business model. So they have sales, financing, and they also have the charging, which is, which is really amazing. So now, when we look at this, why don't we look at the two most important sector when it comes to green energy? That's why investors are looking at IDX right now as a top potential for growth. First, we're going to look at Wave. For those of you who are in the news, you will notice that they have some subsidiaries already. Wave is a wireless advanced vehicle electrification. Just imagine you have a bus. Just if the bus wants to charge the battery in the electric vehicle, no moving part involved. You just drive by. You drive by some embedded parts that would automatically charge the bus. So they have wireless charging station. Wait, let me get into details so you can see when they acquired. To learn how to invest in the stock market like a pro, I mean like a real pro, enroll to my online course today, which is called Growing Well with Stocks. The link is in the description below. Wave. It's pretty interesting. So, Ideanomics signs agreement to acquire 100% of wireless advanced vehicle electrification, and that's Wave, which was founded in 2011. Headquarters is in Salt Lake City. So, they own it 100%. And guess what? Who would really want to come down from the car to go and be charging when you can pretty much just drive your car to a station where it's all embedded with parts which will automatically charge your battery wirelessly? I see this as a number one top 10 potential for growth, because if they have this, I mean, look at ChargePoint or Blink. It's a competitor coming in, and not just charging, but wireless. You don't even have to come down. Think about winter and stuff like that. You just stay in the car, your battery is fully charged, and you drive away. I think this is a very, very big potential. So let's head over to the website of Wave. So wireless advanced vehicle electrification. So see how it works. See how that works. You just drive the car in, and it does that for you. You don't have to come out. You don't have to come out from the vehicle, which is very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. All you see the buses. So Wave is number one subsidiary. That's an advanced cash flow. Cash flow is coming in. Let's go to number two, which is also very interesting in South Asian, the Asian Pacific countries in the south of Asia like Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore. Ideanomics acquired 51% stake of sales arm of Malaysian only licensed electric vehicle manufacturer of all electric powered vehicles. And then when you scroll down, what will really interest you is Ideanomics acquired 11% stake of Tree Electric Parent Tree Manufacturing. So you can see, what do they manufacture? Let's head over to their website so you can see it for yourself. We'll go to their website. So their main product is that Tree Electric, they manufacture electric bikes. So let's scroll down. So you have, they captured the industry, just scroll down. You have electric motorbikes, no oil, no chain, no petrol, no hassle, cutting edge motorcycle, bikes, scooters, and other, awesome modes of transport. So this, they own 51% stake of this. And you all know when it comes to Asia, they got the population, the mobility. So this puts Ideanomics an edge over the other competitors if they have products like like this. So that's it. I said, let me share this out, but that's not enough. We're going to do some data analysis. If you want to buy a share or consider buying a share, you do some DD, due diligence, to find out about their net worth. Do they have assets? Do they have liabilities? What's their PE ratio? So to see some of that, why don't we hop over to Google to know and understand which stock to buy, which is fundamental analysis, to also know when to sell the stock, which is technical analysis, plus one-on-one phone call with me and a portfolio update. Join my Patreon group, link in the description below. Again, Google is free. You just type it in. It's not a stock screener where you have to spend. It's free of charge. Just come in, type in the ticker symbol, and it will give you all the information that you need. So now let's look at it. It is trading in NASDAQ right now with the ticker symbol IDEX. The price right now is $4.94. If you look at aftermarket, it's $4.97. What might interest you is that it went up to $5.53 from a low 52 of 28 cents. If you can look at it right here. So it's been moving up. Now it got a little bit of dip. Most investors like dip. They will buy in the dip. So long as a company got potential, they will buy it when it's dipping. So good time to buy. It might also interest you that even though they are in the Asian Pacific, Southern Asia, but the headquarters is in the United States, and they have all these subsidiaries. And also take note, they are also in the financial technology. I didn't even mention because I don't want this video to go too long. They have subsidiaries like Timers, which is in real estate. So we're not going to go deep into that. They also have a market cap here of 1.84 billion. So for a startup company, that's good. So taking all this into consideration, I will look at this company and say this is a company with good upside potential. I would say 1 to 2 years. If I buy this stock, which I'm going to buy, I will hold it for, I will, just have the open mind that this is for a 1 to 2 years potential. With the Biden administration, it can only get better. It's all getting to EVs, renewable energy, green technology. That's what we are seeing moving forward. So to me, the S2F2C business model for Ideanomics makes a lot of sense, and this is a good potential for growth. So let me know, drop me a comment down below. What do you think? I have some investors friends, they got it when it was low, when it was $2. So they are all happy now and excited, and they're just gonna wait for it and see how it glows up. The future is EV. The earlier you put yourself out there, the better. And they have a lot of subsidiaries. As you can see, Wave is a big deal. Wave alone is a contender when it comes to the charging industry. That's what actually pushed me into doing more research in this company. It looks like a penny stock right now, but guess what? Give it 4 or 5 months, you will not even believe where it is. So good contender when it comes to the EV. And right now, it's considered as penny stocks. Which brings us to the end of this video. What's your thought? Drop me a comment down below. Share. Until then, I will see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye now.